Suffolk County Airport, West Hampton Beach, New York. Automated weather observation 1853 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 04 Celsius. Dew point -03.
All right, that's easy.
Yeah.
Gabreski Tower, Skylane 72669.
Skylane 72669, Gabreski.
Skylane 72669, we're 10 miles up to the north. I'd like to go inbound runway 24 for a stop and go.
All right, 669, report a 3-mile final runway 24.
3-mile final for 24. Is that you, Dave, in the tower?
Yeah. Hey, Doc.
Hey, I finally caught you.
Very good. How are you?
Good. You're gonna see how my daughter lands the plane.
Okay. Cool.
Oh God.
All right. Well, almost ready.
So what do I do?
Not yet. I'll get you all set up. 669 is 4 miles.
669, wind calm, runway 24, clear for, would you want stop and go?
Yeah, it's stop and go.
Roger, clear, stop and go.
Howard, did you want me on November here?
Continue down for Charlie, the next taxiway.
Well, that's actually great, thank you.
We're going there, right?
Yep. Okay. You're gonna steer. Okay?
Huh? Do the pedals?
Yeah, you wanna... Okay, there you go. Billy is landing the plane. Want to stay on the glide slope, okay? Turn a little bit this way. Good. Just go for the runway.
Hey, Gabreski Tower, Suffolk 84.
And when you get slower, it's hard to, it doesn't respond as well.
Tower, say again?
Suffolk 84, completed the cruise swap. Wonder if we could get a departure westbound back to Islip.
Keep it right away.
Roger, from November, proceed on course, clear for takeoff, wind calm, the altimeter 2991.
2991, Suffolk 84 is on to go from the north side.
All right, go lower.
No, just keep going. You're going on, as long as you're 400 feet per minute, you're coming down at the right speed. A little bit above glide, go below glide, so a little power. You're just doing fine. You just steer.
734 X-ray, am I okay where I am now?
Alpha X-ray, yeah, that should be
If you feel me moving, I'm just helping you a little bit, okay?
Thank you. Hey,
Yeah.
thanks for the long taxi down Charlie, thank you.
Sure.
And when you get down this low,
Start pulling back.
you pull back, you let it go out, and then when it settles, you pull,
Pull
and it'll
again.
settle. Okay?
I did it!
Yeah, now we're going to go flaps in,
Was that you or
down
me?
flaps up, and we're going to go. Let me just do this, okay?
Okay.
go, let go. 669er is on the roll.
All right, what's your intentions?
Yeah, we're going just back to islip, direct islip.
All right, very good. You can proceed on course.
Thanks, have a nice day.
Did I do it? Or was that you?
No, you did it.
Yay!
That's 669, the quickest frequency change.
669 frequency change approved. See you in 6 months.
Take it easy.